Every bar of gold begins deep beneath layers of ancient earth.
The journey starts with rock, carrying traces of hidden value. Thousands of tons must move before a single ounce can emerge.
The raw material begins its climb toward processing. Before gold can be separated, the rock must first be broken. Every fragment moves one step closer to refinement. Uniform sizing prepares the ore for deeper processing. Mechanical force transforms mountains into manageable material. Ahead lies the factory, where raw ore becomes pure gold. The extracted rock waits for its transformation to begin. The ore now enters the controlled environment of industrial refinement. Every system here is designed to recover precious metal with precision.
Each load is measured and documented before processing begins.
The factory takes possession of the material one load at a time. Temporary storage ensures a steady flow through the plant. Washing removes impurities that could hinder recovery. Even the smallest contaminants are removed before refinement. Uniform particles improve efficiency in every stage ahead. The rock must be reduced to unlock the gold hidden within. Mechanical energy breaks the ore into microscopic particles. The crushed material becomes a fluid ready for separation. Only the finest particles continue to the extraction stage. Gravity begins recovering the densest and most valuable particles. The richest fraction is isolated for advanced recovery. Now chemistry takes over where mechanics leave off. The precious metal begins separating from the ore itself. The gold is captured and concentrated once again. Extraction is complete, and purification now begins. The concentrated material now enters the heart of purification. Automation ensures accuracy at every stage of recovery. Carefully controlled reactions remove remaining impurities. Thousands of measurements guide every step of refinement. Each filtration stage improves purity and consistency. The remaining contaminants are steadily eliminated. Purified material is gathered for final transformation.
The precious metal starts returning to solid form.
Removing moisture prepares the concentrate for melting.
The final purification will occur in fire. Heat now completes what extraction began.
The metal reaches its liquid state, revealing its true form.
Intense heat separates purity from the final traces of waste.
Precision controls ensure the metal meets exact standards. Every remaining impurity is removed before casting.
The purified metal is ready to take its final shape. Liquid gold becomes solid wealth in a matter of moments. Careful cooling preserves structure and quality. Each bar now enters the final stages of production.
Advanced systems inspect details invisible to the naked eye.
Every bar must prove its purity before leaving the refinery.
The transformation is complete, but verification still remains. Exact weight is essential to every certified bar.
Verification begins with scientific examination.
Data confirms whether the bar meets refinery standards.
Each bar receives an identity that can be traced for years.
One final inspection stands between production and shipment.
Certification transforms refined metal into a trusted asset.
The finished bars enter the final stage of their journey.
Documentation ensures complete traceability. Years of geological history are now ready for delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce 24K gold bars from start to finish.
From ore in the earth to refined gold, every stage depends on precision.